Have you heard about this news? You can now unlock your productivity potential with AI. Discover the future of productivity with generative AI tools in today's fast-paced world. Leveraging cutting-edge technology can be a game changer. Here are 22 of the most impressive, innovative, and useful generative AI productivity tools available today. These tools are designed to help you work smarter, not harder, saving you valuable time, allowing you to focus on more rewarding and creative tasks. Ready to revolutionize your workflow? First up, we have Zapier, a tool which helps other tools and applications to talk to each other and work collaboratively, which save users from the time used for copying and updating records. Zapier has now integrated generative AI chatbots that make this process as simple as telling that what you want it to do. Otter, an AI-powered meeting assistant which automatically creates transcripts of conversations that can be organized and searched, as well as extract insights and action items with apps like Zoom and Teams, and can generate email summaries and send them to relevant people. Trello, a project management tool with generative AI features to keep track of ongoing work, or measure progress toward goals, and even suggest improvements for grammar or clarity when communicating your ideas. Zoom with AI Companion. Users with a paid-for subscription can create automated summaries of calls and virtual meetings, along with follow-ups, assignments, and action points. This eliminates the need to take notes and other manual administrative actions during meetings, and lets attendees focus on the discussion at hand. Be Done gamify the process of task management by breaking complex tasks down into simple steps, and then awarding points for completing them. It's a fun idea that adds a new spin on the numerous smart to-do lists, task managers, and time trackers that are available. Be Done even includes productivity tournaments where users can compete against each other to see who can become the most efficient. Asana. Automate project management and workflow tasks and manage calendars. Avoma. This AI meeting assistant transcribes meetings, but also provides coaching insights to help users improve their communication and engagement skills. Beautiful. Transform ideas into fully realized slides and presentations with automated design features. Clara. Clara is an AI assistant that aims to act as a virtual employee, scheduling meetings, communicating between attendees, and adding details to your calendar once they've been established. ClickUp, generative AI-driven workplace productivity suite with project management, time tracking, whiteboarding, agendas, and other features. Clockwise, time management tool that can automate scheduling to help teams make more efficient use of their time. Decktopus, generates slide decks and presentations from natural language prompts. Duet. Another Google service, this one, is built into Workspace to provide a collaborative assistant for productivity tasks. Email Tree, email management and customer service platform with features like automatic reply suggestions, multilingual support, team management, CRM, sentiment analysis, and automation. Fireflies, transcribe, summarize, and search voice conversations. Gamma, automates the creation of presentations and various types of documents with the help of generative AI. Mail Butler, integrates with common email applications to provide tools that automate composing, summarizing, and responding to emails. Nada, AI note-taking and audio transcription. Notion, AI-powered workspace that manages tasks as well as offers functions like document summarization and content creation. Reclaim, AI-powered calendar management and time tracking. Sanebox, AI-powered email management that analyzes incoming mail, sorts it into relevant folders, and generates reminders and auto-responses. Tome, leverage AI storytelling to create compelling decks and presentations using GPT-4o technology. Ready to try them out?